Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Craft Magic CNC. In this video, we will be unboxing and assembling the CNC 3018 Pro which I got from Banggood. This CNC machine can be used to mill PCB, wood, plastic, acrylic, soft aluminum and various other materials. So this is how the packaging looks like. The overall packaging was good and it was delivered within 19 days from the date of order. So you can see here all the wires and connecting cables and other parts within their respective slots. It comes with 3 stepper motors, one pre-attached to Z-axis, an aluminum base plate of 300 by 180 mm, then a Z-axis assembly with stepper motor pre-installed on it, an Arduino control board with laser connectivity option, aluminum bars to form the base of the machine, some screws, Allen keys and wrenches to tighten the nuts, along with various other parts which we'll be looking at while assembling the machine. So let's get started. So this is the back railing where the stepper motor of Y-axis will connect, and this is the front part of the front railing. Make sure to not attach the back plate at this stage. This part will attach to the aluminum base plate at the center with the hole for the lead screw of Y-axis. It is identified by a straight notch with the hole along with it. Here I mistakenly inserted the longer screw rod, so make sure you insert the shorter one, as the machine comes with 2 rods. The shorter one is for Y-axis and the longer one is for Z-axis. I have attached the screws loosely, so it will be easier to slide them inside the slots of the aluminum plate. Make sure the screws are facing away from each other. Here you can see that the aluminum backplate has a bigger slot, and in the back side it will be having a smaller slot. So the bigger slot part will be facing towards the front side where the 2 rods will get inserted. Match the design of the front and back aluminum plate, and then you can connect the black aluminum plate at this stage. Make sure the aluminum base plate is tightened at equal distance from the aluminum bars. Don't put too much pressure on the screws here, as the parts are 3D printed and may break easily. This is the coupler which will be attaching the screw rod to the stepper motor. As I have mentioned earlier, I have used the wrong screw rod because of which my stepper motor is bulging out too far, which I will correct in an instant. Here you can see I have changed the screw rod to the shorter one. These are the plates that will be placed sideways, which will support both X-axis and Z-axis pre-assemble. In general, most of the mini CNC's X-axis stepper motor will be placed on the right side. However, in my case, the slots for the stepper motor were placed on the left side. If you also received your machine in the same way, don't worry, it will not affect your machine's operations. Measure a distance of 5.6 cm or as mentioned in your guidebook and tighten the screws of the side plates. Please make sure the lead screw nut is in flush with the outer body of the Z-axis assembly. This is one way to connect your Z-axis assembly to your CNC machine. Or it can be connected in this way, where the two sliding rods are inserted first and fixed into the frame, and the Z-axis screw nut is inserted later. Tighten the screws of the coupler connecting the Z-axis screw rod to the stepper motor. This is the 24 volt 775 spindle motor which comes with the machine. This spindle motor has a rotating speed of 10,000 rpm at 24 volt and 12,000 rpm at 36 volt. Insert the ER11 chuck into the collet and tighten it to the spindle motor. Notice the red spot on the spindle motor, which is used to identify the positive side. This will be the x-axis. This one is y-axis. And the final one is z-axis. This is a 90-degree V bit which comes along with the machine. To explore full capacity of the CNC machine, I would suggest you to purchase few other bits which are sold separately. I'll mention the bits which I have purchased in the description box below. To download the software, go to the Banggood website and scroll down to the page where it is written as download here, or click here. Download the zip file, which will have all the softwares you require to run the machine. First, you need to install the driver in your system. Then open the Gerbil control software. So this is how the interface looks like. Here you can see there are various options given on the right side of the menu. This is a sample file already provided inside the software. You can create your own designs and convert them to SVG files, and then using this software you can start engraving. So hey, if this is the first time you are visiting my channel, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon and turn on your notification.